Editorial level retouching starts with a strong image and ends in invisible work. This beauty close-up was inspired by Vogue cover aesthetics. First, manual skin cleanup. I keep natural texture while removing distractions, pores, flyaways, micro bumps. The lips and flower petals needed special attention for both texture and tone harmony. No skin smoothing plugins, no AI filters, just careful, frame-by-frame work. Next, dodge and burn to sculpt facial structure and create soft depth. My goal here was subtle. Polish the light, not flatten the face. For brands, photographers, and publications, contact details below.